Hi, in this video I will show you how to perform some simple home automation with the Mi Induction Cooker by Xiaomi and Mi Home App. All you need to do is to open the Mi Induction Cooker settings on the Mi Home App, then tap these three dots and go to the automation. Tap on the plus and you can select if trigger. We can go for example for the schedule, set it for the 2 p.m. Tap OK and select then. You can for example run a scene, turn on off scene, delay, and tap on this OK sign to confirm your simple home automation with the Xiaomi Mi Induction Cooker. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.